Here are the accessories, these. Then pretend it like this first. In this way. Twist it in corresponding to this hole. This hole. Put this nut. Same over there.
Oh my god. No border on the track.
Use pliers. Tighten. When the rotation is almost tightened, tighten the screws for him here while he's here. This one faces the lamp. Then tighten this screw. Tighten it like this. The other 4 sides are also installed in this way. If you can't turn it anymore, turn it in the opposite direction half a turn. In this way, they all face this side of the lamp. Then put here. Lock him with screws. Turn the wrench here and here.
Oh my god. No border on the track.
Okay, then. The next step is. There is a film here and tear it off. Tear it off here too. All 4 of them tore it off. After tearing it off, just put it. Stick to the glass of that car.